Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you. Okay, I hope you solve exercise 3.73, third one I said to solve. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. Take out page number 43, exercise 3.7. See the fourth one. How many hours are there? What is question? Fourth one. How many hours are there in 8,60,400 minutes? 8,60,400 minutes. This we'll have to find out. See the question. How many hours? What we'll have to find out? How many hours are there in this 1 minute? Right. We know that. What do we know? What do we know that 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60. You know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equal to 6 twos are 20 minutes. 120 minutes. 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. Right? Now here in this problem, we'll have to find out how many hours are there in this 1 minute. Means which operation? Obviously division. If you divide 8,60,400 minutes by 60 minutes, you will get the answer in how many hours. Understand? Generally I am saying 1 minute, 1 hour. You have 1 hour in your hand. Do whatever you want. 1 घंटा तुम्हारे पास है, कुछ भी करो. 1 घंटा में कितने मिनट पास है आपके पास? 60 मिनट आपके पास. 60 मिनट में कुछ भी करो. So simple. Here it is given in minutes. We'll have to convert in hours. So divide by 60 minutes. 60. You will get answer. Okay. Let's see. It's very easy problem. Eight lakh 60,400 divided by 60. You know 6 is 7. Yes. Right, 6 7. Add 0 0 0. or else you can cancel if you wrote in this manner 8,60,400 divided by 60. You can cancel this one also. So 86,040 divided by 6. You will get answer easy. Or you can cut here also, but it needs practice. Okay, you can write in this form also. Got it? But it is easy to solve like this. Okay, once you are habitual, you can directly write like this and solve. Okay, see. So first 2 digit, focus on 2 digit. 61, the 62 are 120. No, it's a bigger number. So 61 the 60. Subtract 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 6, 2, 26. Then put your 0 down, 260. So 6 260 is there? No, 240 is there. So 660 fours are 60 fours are 240. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now what we are doing? We are taking another number down. 4 is there. Digit. So 204. 204 is there. 240 is there. 40 is greater than 204. So 180. 63 is there. 63s are 180. Subtract 4 minus 0. 4. 8. 0 minus 8 possible? No. Borrow from 2 become 1. This 0 become 10 minus 8. 2. 1 minus 1. 0. 24. Then now next 0 down. 240 is there? Yes. 64s are 240. 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. Now 1 0 remain. So this 0 down and this 0 up. Understand? Now how many R's are there? What is the final answer? How many R's are there in this one minutes? How many R's are there? Therefore 14,340 R's. You can write the answer like this. R's are there in 8,60,400 units.
Lots of fields.
Understand? This is the complete answer. Right? It's very easy. Once you understand the problem, then it will become easy. Right? Rushing towards our next. So, if you want, you can take screenshot. Shall I rub? Pause the video and take screenshot. Okay. Next. It's very easy once you can solve easily, but problem is you are not reading question properly, and that's why you are confused. You are getting confused how to solve. Right? See, fifth one. What should be multiplied by? What should be multiplied by 584 to get 4,91,728. Same problem. One number is given, another you have to find out. Means if you want to divide, if you want another number, divide 4,91,728 by 584. Understand? You get answer. See the sixth one. Product of two number is 3,16,665. Product of two number. Up we saw the second and third problem same like this. If one number is 155, find the other number. Here also what we will have to do? We have to divide 3,16,665 by 155. Then 6 one also there like this. Then 8 one also be same. Understand? So I hope you will solve, or I will solve any one again. Okay, what should be multiplied by? Okay, fifth I will solve. Serially it will. What should be multiplied by 584 to get 4,91,000 to get 4,91,728. Simple. Divide 491,728 divided by 584. Now make a table of 584. Understand? Or you can guess also. Is 3 digit, focus on 3 digit. 491 is less than 584. So what we are doing? We are adding again one digit. Now focus on up to this 4 digit. 4917. Now see, 564 is near about 600. Means 6 का टेबल याद करो, 6 का टेबल. 6 5 30, 6 6 36, 6 7 42, 6 6 6 7 6 8 48 will nearby. Here 49 48. See, if you not wrote table, then also how to solve. Imagine if I multiplied by, this is near to 6, means 6 से हम करेंगे तो you can guess 6 8 6 8 48. So here 49. So 8 करके देखो, 8 4 32, 2 carry 3, 8 8 64, 64 plus 3, 64 plus 3, 67, 7 here carry 6, 8 5 40 plus 6, 46, 4 6 7 2. Okay, 9 करके देखो, we'll do 9 9 4 36, 6 here carry 3, 9 8 72 plus 3, 72 73 74 75, 5 carry 7, 9 5 45, 45 plus 7, 45 plus 7 52. So 52 is bigger number, 5256 than this 4970. So 8 584, 8 4672. Subtract. Subtract this one. 7 minus 2 possible? Yes. 5. 1 minus 7 not possible. 9 become 8. 1 become 11. 11 minus 7 4. 8 minus 6 2. 4 minus 4 0. Now take 2 down. Next digit down. Again you can imagine these are 6. Okay, now 2452 is there. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Multiply 6 5s are 30. 30 is bigger number. So 6 5s are, so multiply by 5. Oh sorry, 4. 6 4s are 24. 4 4s are 16. 6 carry 1, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33, 3 carry 3, 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23. Right. So 584 fours are 2336. Subtract. Possible? So what we are doing? We are borrowing from table. 5 become 4. These 2 become 12. 12 minus 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 here. 4 minus 3 1. 4 minus 3 1. 2 minus 2 0. Now take next digit down. 8. Now 6 2s are 12. Maybe करके देखो 2 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Yes. So 584 2s are 1168. Subtract 8 minus 8 0, 6 minus 6 0, minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So what should be multiplied by 584 to get this number? What should be multiplied? 842 should be multiplied to get this number. Understand? By this way you can we completed 3.7. I hope if any doubt you can ask me again. Okay? I hope you will solve remaining. It's very easy. Right? Write proper, focus proper, write the table proper first. Okay. Till then, thank you.